Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the floppy disk. That's an oldest floppy disk. This MS-DOS formatted 1.2 MB, and here it is. That's the old floppy over here. That's the cover. See, you can see the size of my hand, and the floppy disk is the biggest one over here, this much big. And that's the floppy case. We can open it over here. You can see the floppy disk HCl. This is over here. Biggest floppy disk, then zip 250 MB disk. That's same as floppy but hard and much more thicker than a floppy drive. After this comes in, and that's our floppy disk MS-DOS formatted Windows 2 HD. That's 1.44 MB. I don't know, you can see over here, but it's written 1.44 MB. And this one is 250 MB, and that's 1.2. That's a floppy. That's the older one. That's the older one. Thank you guys.